Hello guys, let's solve this question and I read the question. So for x and y, we have log to base 2 of square root of x multiplied by square root of y equals to 3 and log to base 3 of square root of x plus square root of y. And this gives us 2. And so guys, now we solve the question. I write solution. So guys, the first thing, I'm going to turn this log equation into indices. And so for the first one, this is now going to be square root of x, square root of y. This now gives us 2 raised to 3. And we can call that equation Roman 1. Coming to the second equation, guys, this now comes to square root of x plus square root of y. This now comes to 3 raised to 2. And so therefore, guys, our equation then are going to be, this is what now we have. 2 raised to 3 is 8, 3 raised to 2 is 9. And now, guys, we come and do the substitution that is necessary. And so we shall have, using this equation, first equation, we can say square root of x is equals to 8 all over square root of y. And so now I can use this and substitute for square root of x. And therefore I shall have, for square root of x we have 8 over square root of y plus square root of y. This square root of y, this gives us 9. Guys, we can say let square root of y be equal to v. And so now we write v instead of square root of y. And so therefore, we shall have 8 all over v plus v. This is equals to 9. Guys, we can now multiply both sides by v. We multiply this side by v and also this side by v. And this is now going to give us 8 for this term plus this now comes to v squared, and this is now equal to 9v. Guys, we can bring the 9v on this side, so we shall have minus 9v, and we are left with 0 on this other side. And now guys, we just rearrange the equation. Guys, now doing this equation, I can let you do it and see what you will get, whether it shall be similar to mine. Because as for me, v is equals to 1 or v is equals to 8. So guys, those are my solution for that quadratic equation. Remembering that square root of y is equals to v, as we had said it before right here, let square root of y be equals to v. Guys, we can put v as 1, and so we have, for this one, we have square root of y equals to 1, and therefore y, you square this side, you square this side, and therefore y is equals to 1. Coming on this other side, guys, we shall have square root of y is now equal to 8. And so guys, I square this side, and I also square this side. And so in this case, y is going to be equal to 8 squared, which is 64. And so guys, we have y equals to 1, y equals to 64. Guys, we had this equation, and so we can come and replace and find the value of x. So when y is equals to 1, guys, we shall have square root of x here we have square root of y, which is 1. This gives us 1. Square root of 1 is 1. And this is now equal to 8. And therefore, guys, square root of x is equals to 8. And therefore, if we square that and square that, guys, x is equals to 64. Guys, now coming on this other side, whereby we are saying y equals to 64, we shall have square root of x, and then we say square root of y, which is 64. This gives us 8, like that. And this is now equal to 8. We have 8 here, because this is the equation we are using. We have 8. Square root of y is square root of 64, which is 8. And so therefore, square root of x is now equal to, you divide by 8 this side, by 8 this side, this comes to 1. And therefore, guys, we can now square this side, and we square this side. And therefore, x is equals to 1. And so, guys, when y is equals to 64, x is equals to 1. And when y is equals to 1, x is equals to 64. And so, guys, those are our solutions. Thank you for listening to me. Bye-bye.